Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find your RSS feed in Podpal. Okay, let's get started. To find the RSS feed of any of your podcasts, start by clicking the three dots on the podcast card from the My Podcast screen and selecting Show Settings, or by clicking Show Settings from the sidebar Podcast Switcher. On the Show Settings screen, navigate to the RSS and Distribution tab. Your RSS feed is not editable, but you can copy the URL from the field if you need to use it elsewhere. To view your RSS feed data, click View My RSS Feed. If you've imported a podcast from another host, you'll need to complete a 301 redirect to finalize the host migration. If you're unsure about this step, log into your originating podcast host or contact them directly to get directions. If you created this podcast at Podpal, you'll need to publish at least one episode before your RSS feed can be registered with platforms like Apple, Spotify, and Google. And remember, you can always hover over any information icon or visit our Help Center to get more details about Podpal's features. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert.